broken.
Are you trespassing us?
It's a very simple question.
To leave.
Or what? Will we be arrested?
Do you understand what I'm telling you?
Sir, will we be
Do you
arrested?
understand what I'm telling you?
Will we be arrested if we don't leave?
No, you're a tyrant, dude. Get out of here, dude. Go. I'm not even talking to you no more. Just screw. You almost fucking hit me. You came up to me going about 20 miles an hour and slammed on the brake. No, screw.
I gave you my license. Can you get rid of that spotlight? That'd be great. There's no need for it. Please. Is that a no or yes?
I got it on camera.
This is safety.
This ain't no safe. This public. That's a public parking lot.
Are you following me?
What you mean? I'm in a public parking lot.
Are you following me?
I'm in a public parking lot.
The moment an ordinary camera meets official authority, a routine encounter can transform into a constitutional showdown. This case begins with accusations, demands for identification, and repeated questions about whether any law has actually been broken. Instead of immediate answers, uncertainty fuels the confrontation from the very first seconds. What follows is more than a disagreement between citizens and officers. It becomes a revealing examination of public recording, police discretion, and the fine line separating lawful investigation from perceived government overreach.
What's going on? What's happening? Are you just taking videos of the airport?
Who are you?
It's okay. TSA's already called security, so
That's great.
yeah. What's
great.
happened?
Nothing to say to you. You haven't identified yourself to me.
Okay.
You can
okay.
You can stand there. I'll just film you. Well, I tell the cops that I'm not doing anything illegal.
No, you're not. You're not doing anything illegal. I'm just checking in on you, just making sure everything's all set.
Yeah.
I didn't know if you had we had some surveys going on for the crosswalk here. I didn't know if you were dealing
No
with
survey.
that. No surveying?
I guess it's a survey of sorts, but not
Okay.
not that type. Not a physical survey.
Okay, good. I just wanted to make sure you were all set.
Sure am. Name and identification or badge number. Name and identification or badge number, please.
Pardon?
Name or identification number, however you guys do it.
Officer Wiggins, we don't have a badge number.
I always ask. Yeah.
No, we just had gotten a call. Someone was watching your video and they didn't know what was going on, so
That's me.
they called us to make contact. So that's what I'm here for. So, are you reporting something in particular?
I don't answer questions. No, just you see it.
What's your name?
I don't have to give it.
No. Okay, well I gave you mine, so
You're a public employee.
Yep.
Yeah, that's just for my safety and my record.
Okay.
So
you're on public property right here. They just ask that you don't go inside.
I know.
That you're flying. Or anything.
I don't plan to trespass today or do anything nefarious.
Okay.
Just what you see is what you get with me.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
So I'll go in and make contact with them.
Yeah, let them know. There was a lady in the Sweet Thai place that came out and said you can't film the base, you can't do this and that, and telling me I'm not within my rights to do it. And it might be good to ease her, to let her know that what I'm doing is not illegal, so that she doesn't feel unsafe. But I think she works for Sweet Chili.
Okay.
All I was doing was filming the.
Was she wearing an apron or anything? Or?
Yeah, she came out of the door from that. But I mean, just to ease her mind, because she didn't stay out long enough for me to tell her that I'm not doing anything wrong.
Nope, you are allowed to video.
I mean, they put all this cool stuff to film. You got a Huey over there, you got a tank down there. I mean, you're just asking for people to come.
You're looking for the other tank? There's another one over at the BF.
Yeah, at the Armory, isn't it?
Nope, not the Legion, but if you go like the Armory Street, but if you take the Capitol Street extension, there's an American Legion post in there.
Yeah.
There's another tank out there.
Awesome, thank you. Just to clarify with you, since there's no pedestrian sidewalk on this side, if I cross and use that sidewalk, would I be within the law, or do I have to stay on the breakdown lane?
No, you can use the sidewalk over there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I've
We always ask if a sidewalk.
airports and I've been hemmed up before for stupid stuff like that.
Okay.
Walking the pedestrian path and being told it's private property.
Well, as far as here when you cross, I mean, if you go over there, but if the sidewalk is over there,
Yeah.
to be able to follow the sidewalk down.
Okay.
You know, we understand that you'd have to be able to use
All right.
that area.
Now that I have it reworded, I don't, you know.
So, but one of the concerns is this is a traffic.
Nobody's
corners.
passed me since you came.
So-
So nobody's gone by me on the sidewalk.
So one of the concerns though is that you're so close to the crosswalk, cars are gonna get confused. This is already a issue for pedestrians crossing and their safety, just because of the corner and they can't see.
I'm not actually in the crosswalk though.
No, but you're so close when you come around the corner.
Yeah.
So we just, if you want to move to a different location, it's less confusing for cars.
I'm always baffled that even though myself and the public official come to the conclusion that
is how differently both sides interpret the same situation. Officers repeatedly explain they are responding to public complaints, while the auditor insists complaints alone cannot create reasonable suspicion or erase constitutional protections. Neither side sees the encounter through the other's perspective, allowing tension to steadily build. As legal terminology, public safety concerns, and demands for identification collide, the conversation shifts from cooperation toward a debate over where police authority begins and where individual rights remain firmly protected.
everything I'm doing is with my rights. There's always some stipulation, some rule, some advice.
Suggestions,
Yeah, but I mean,
we're looking to keep everybody safe.
Yeah,
I'm people around.
I'm 35 years old. I've served in the military. I've been in dangerous situations. I'm okay right here, and people see me filming. They know I'm not crossing. This kind of makes me look stationary. Now, if I was right there and in the breakdown lane, they would stop.
And the other issue is that people are having to cross from the airport, which is how we actually got the call. Okay, that someone felt unsafe to be out here.
And then that's not my issue. I mean, if I was holding a sign that said something that I agreed with, and somebody said that made me feel uncomfortable.
You were filming this person.
They're in public. There's no privacy, and I don't film anybody specifically. I'm just filming a general area. Only time I ever film anybody is when they approach me. That's the only time you get my undivided attention.
So, if we have to continue to deal with you, though, we don't know if you're trespassing government properties or state agencies because you haven't provided our name.
So I'm going to be punished for calls for legal activity.
So, do you want to let me finish talking?
Well, that's what you're making it sound
What
like.
I'm trying to say is I don't know who you are because you haven't given me your name. I don't know if you've already been, you said you've been M'd up before for stuff, so I don't know if you are not providing me your name because you are trespassed from a location and you know you're not supposed to be there. I've never dealt with you before, so I don't know if you are currently trespassed from any of these area businesses. I don't know. Okay, so what'll happen is if you continue to stay here and we continue to get complaints, it could end up that we have to detain you until we determine who you are to know if you have the right to be in one of these locations. If you're trespassed from, say, the military establishment, you can't be videoed. If you're trespassing in the airport, you can't be videoed in the airport.
That's not lawful. I'm sorry. We're in the First District Federal Court. They already ruled you can film in public.
If we have to continue to deal with
You're going to punish me for people making false police reports of lawful activity.
If somebody makes a report, I have to report.
Yeah, and you have to have probable cause that I am or about or have committed a crime. Do you have any probable cause that I'm committing a crime?
I don't know if you've committed a crime.
Then you have no probable cause to ask me for ID. That's not how it works in the state of Maine. No, it doesn't.
We don't know if you're trespassing.
So me exercising my lawful right to stand here and film is in some way construed as illegal.
You haven't been standing here the entire time.
Yeah, I've been walking because it's a lot to see. Is that an issue?
But if I don't know if you've set foot on the property.
I'm sure you know with the security. Excuse me, public property. This is though, and I've never went on that.
But that's what I'm saying. I wasn't here the whole time. I've only came up and seen you here. We've gotten reports that you've been walking around. You were against the fence line filming. So our concern is that what your business is here.
And as long as I haven't committed a crime, I don't have to identify, and what I do is my own business.
So we just want you to know, okay, going forward, if we do continue to deal with you, there could be other repercussions that we have to do. Okay?
So just for the record, because we said a lot in this little back and forth, You're saying if I stay here and people call on me for lawful activity, you will come out here and you will proceed with trying to ID me?
Yes.
And under what probable cause?
The fact that we don't know if you're committing a crime. I don't know if you're sex offender.
Then if you don't know, then you have...
There's a new law in place that says you can't be videoing people in public without their permission.
Do you know me?
So,
do you know who I am?
I told you I do not know you.
So you're acting on the basis of the presumption of guilty before you can prove.
Nope. We need to know who you are. If you
And until you tell me a law that I've broken or about to break or have broken.
Continue. I've repeated myself so many
Yeah, and it's unlawful directives. I'll stand right here the rest of the day then. Okay. On your oath. So there you go. They're saying if I stand here and they get more calls, I'm going to be punished for calls to them for lawful activity.
The interaction grows more complex when the officer openly acknowledges that filming in public is legal, yet continues discussing possible identification if future complaints continue. That statement becomes the turning point of the exchange. The auditor argues that lawful conduct cannot suddenly justify detention simply because multiple people report feeling uncomfortable. Meanwhile, officers focus on uncertainty, explaining they cannot immediately determine whether someone has been trespassed elsewhere. This clash highlights the ongoing challenge of balancing preventative policing with constitutional safeguards against unnecessary government intrusion.
Do you have a spelling of the last name since you don't have it on your...
No.
You don't?
Nope.
So you'll make me call in and get it?
You can call whoever you want.
Alright. You have a card?
I don't actually know.
Massachusetts state law, chapter 41, section 98D says all police officers must show their identification card if asked. So if you have that, I would like to see it.
I don't have it.
You don't have it? So you're going to violate
Like a business card?
No, your picture ID police ID card.
Yeah, well, I got a supervisor coming out, so you can...
Chapter 4, okay.
I don't know that chapter right section. Huh?
Are you on duty?
No, I was on an extra detail. I was leaving.
So you're off duty? So you're acting as an off-duty police officer right now?
I'm in uniform. I haven't made it home yet. So I technically am on duty. And I'm in my...
Did you clock out?
Are you in your full capacity right now as a police officer?
Should be.
Then you should be spelling out your last name for us. The supervisor just left, actually. He sped off.
I mean, we're on public property, you know what I mean?
How would you feel, sir?
Well, I mean, this is all tax.
Well, I'm just asking you as a person, how would you feel? You're leaving and someone's taking pictures of you. I just don't understand.
If I worked in the public sector...
I think I'm out of line for asking you what you're doing. I just don't understand.
If I worked in the public sector and took an oath to uphold the Constitution, I would not question it one bit, if that was my job. And that's that. You're supposed to defend what we're doing right now, not confront us and act like we're doing something illegal or wrong.
Did I say that?
You're acting. I said acting. I said acting. You literally were eyeing us down like we were doing something illegal. Here we go. We got a supervisor over here. He doesn't want to spell his last name. How you doing, sir?
Can I ask what you gentlemen are doing here?
Can I get your name and badge number, please?
Badge number is 255.
Last name?
You don't need a name.
Oh, I don't? So you're a tyrant too? What's your name, badge number?
Badge number is 255.
Name and badge number.
Just to let you know you're being recorded. You get permission to be out here?
Name and badge number. This is a public lot right here.
Okay.
Name and badge number. Chapter 41, section 98D says you must identify when asked by public. What is your last name? You're a supervisor, you don't want ID, you're not a sergeant?
No, I'm not.
Okay, so what's your
Talk to the supervisor?
what's your last name?
Lobby.
He said the supervisor was coming. So you're not the supervisor?
No, I'm not.
What's your last name?
You don't need a name.
Yes, I do.
Everything's identified.
No, if you're acting as a police officer, you need to identify the public when asked, sir.
Did you call for?
What is wrong with you tyrants?
I don't know, man. They think they can just do whatever they
I
want.
said he's gonna send it.
They forgot who they work for.
Maybe the supervisor knows we're well within our rights in the law, so they're not going to pay any mind to that.
Can I ask you what permission we need and from whom, please? Well, we don't need a supervisor. Do you not know what to do right now in the situation, or?
Is that why you need a supervisor?
Sir, is that the law in 130B?
Correct, the visitor lot.
Oh, visitor, public, right?
Exactly.
You guys gonna play this game with us? We're looking for.
You're not gonna win.
So.
Dispatch available. Central supervisor.
You're not gonna identify. That's crazy. You guys wonder why there's a disconnect with you and the public? You won't even simply identify when you're approaching public as a police officer. What is wrong with you? You don't.
Flip your badge.
You don't see the disconnect?
255.
Is that a badge?
Right there. That. What's that?
This is a badge right
You don't have your ID on that?
ID.
Chapter 41, Section 98D says you must show us an ID.
Why do you think you guys can act like this?
This is unreal. You realize you work for us, right? Do you not realize that? Mr. 255? You guys are gonna get some phone calls because you wanna be tyrants and not identify like you should.
I told you what my name was in my badge.
And you won't spell it because it's obviously hard to spell.
No, it's too much to ask. That's why.
So
they want to ask questions, but they
hold
don't
on.
answer.
Hold on. It's what?
It's phonetic.
It's phonetic?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a good one.
Comedian over there.
Yeah.
K96.
So who do we need permission from to be out here filming? You said we need permission, and from who?
Is this the supervisor too, or no? Just having a good old pig pile here?
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 officers, huh?
Yeah, we're just trying to, we're trying to exercise our rights.
They're showing their.
Hey ma'am, can I get your name and badge number, please?
Yeah, 357.
What's your name?
DeGray.
What is it?
DeGray.
DeGray? 357, you said? Name and badge, please?
392. Jerkowski's last name.
Jerkowski? Wow, you guys all got hard last names to spell.
How do you spell that?
It's Jurkowski.
See that? That's professionalism right there. That's
Equally important issue, accountability. Rather than arguing only about filming, the discussion shifts toward officer identification, departmental policy, and public transparency. Simple requests for names and badge information evolve into an increasingly emotional confrontation that draws additional officers to the scene. While no arrest occurs, every refusal, misunderstanding, and sarcastic exchange chips away at mutual trust. It demonstrates how minor procedural disagreements can rapidly overshadow the original purpose of a police interaction.
Oh wow, no supervisor, huh? Wow, they dispersed. They dispersed.
We don't work for you. That's why we're still here.
Look at dispersed without supervisor. Car 126, car 120.
Look at this guy.
It's called a piggy pile.
Huge piggy pile, guys.
Piggy pile. Pig pile.
They don't know what to do. Look at them.
No, all confused. That's the supervisor right there.
Completely confused. Oh, I got a gold badge.
Stand by.
There we go.
6 of them can do it. Let's see if this one can.
How you doing?
Yeah, I'm Lieutenant Randolph. I'm just so you know you're being recorded.
Lieutenant Randolph?
Yep, you're being recorded.
I'm sorry, what is it?
Lieutenant Randolph.
Do you have a badge number?
You're being recorded.
Yeah, that's fine. You have a badge number?
I'm a lieutenant.
Okay.
Okay. You don't answer questions.
No.
Okay. You understand that right now with the COVID, that there's no legitimate purpose for you to be here.
Yes, there is.
Okay.
Yes, there is. It's called documentation, sir.
What kind of documentation?
Doesn't matter.
You understand that.
You understand this is our First Amendment protected activity, right, sir?
How is it your First Amendment protected activity?
Freedom of the press. Freedom of the press.
And which
We're
press
documenting. We're documenting.
press credentials.
Do you understand the First Amendment is our press
Do
credentials?
you have your press
The
credentials?
First Amendment is.
For a reason.
Yeah.
Do you have press credentials?
Where do I get the press credentials? Do you know? Where do I get them? Do you know? Do you know where I get them?
Where would
You can't get them. Exactly.
You make them up.
They just get made up.
Because it's free.
Yeah, because it's called free press, First Amendment. First Amendment press credentials. That's what it is.
They don't even know what they took their oath for.
Nope.
How sad is
So
that?
do you understand that because of the COVID?
I don't care about your
can't
COVID
be
shit.
here?
Yes, I can be here.
Your COVID
Yes, I
means
can.
nothing to me.
You cannot be here.
Because of COVID, I can't be in this lot?
No.
That's
What
bullshit.
law is that? Please enlighten me.
Yeah.
It's
Please
under the
enlighten my
COVID
audience too.
because you cannot be here, sir.
We
So
can't
I-
be here because of
So I've
COVID, huh?
documented, what, 4 or 5 people come out of here? And they told me I could go inside and get these officers identified. Because he won't identify.
He doesn't
So they
know
told
what
me
to
I can actually go inside because the lobby's open. So who's lying? We can't be here or we can be here.
Sir, you
Because
can't be
I'm
here.
here to go get some complaint
you
forms now.
cannot be here.
I'm getting complaint forms.
Why don't you
Get a complaint.
Do me a favor, before you
No,
give us unlawful
I'm not a dog. Don't say come on.
Come on, let's go.
No, absolutely not.
And if you don't have a complaint or you don't have an issue to be here,
This is my business being here.
then you need to leave.
You're making your department look really bad right now.
No, you're making yourself look.
No, absolutely not.
Because
You're going to get the phone calls. You're not acting appropriate. You're trying to kick me off public property.
This is right now with the COVID.
No,
This
you
public property doesn't
wrong,
stop just
wrong.
You have no.
You can't infringe on our rights no matter what, sir. It doesn't matter.
Either
It
you
doesn't
need to
matter.
leave
Or what?
Or we're going to have to end up arresting.
You're gonna arrest
Oh, so now you're threatening to arrest?
Yes.
You're threatening to arrest?
public property. On public property, you're gonna arrest us.
Sir, can you leave?
What are you going to arrest us for,
Sir,
sir?
you need to-
What are you going to arrest us for, sir?
Sir, you need to leave.
Is it a lawful order to
Sir,
leave?
you need to leave.
Is it a lawful order to leave, sir?
I'm not going to argue with you.
It's not an
You
argument.
need to
You-
leave the property.
Is it a lawful order?
Don't step on me.
You need. Don't step on you.
Yeah.
Sure, him, whatever his name is. Don't step on me, dude.
What you need to do is leave the property.
Are you trespassing me?
You need.
Are you trespassing
You
me?
need to leave.
Are
the
you
property.
trespassing
It's
us?
a very simple question.
Leave.
Or what? Will we be
Do
arrested?
you understand what I'm telling you?
Sir, will we be
Do you
arrested?
understand what I'm telling you?
Will we
You
be
need to
arrested if we
leave
don't leave?
the property?
Will we be arrested if we don't
Do
leave?
you understand?
Will we
You
be
need to
arrested?
leave
Will we
the
be
property.
arrested if we don't
Do
leave?
you understand?
I'm going to get a complaint form.
Yep. Piece of shit you are.
Wow.
You. Now I'm gonna be over here all fucking day and I'm gonna order a pizza too. Is that a lawful order, sir?
You won't answer us, sir.
Is it a lawful order?
You need to leave the property.
Is it a lawful
So what? Now we can't go in the front entrance?
You need to leave the
Now we can't go in the front entrance?
You're causing a
Look at
disturbance.
this.
You're gonna stop us from
We didn't
filing
say
a
nothing
complaint?
to anybody.
Yeah.
We didn't say
Told me to
nothing
fuck
to anybody. You
Yeah,
caused
which
this.
is protected on the First Amendment also, sir.
You caused this. You caused this.
Are you gonna arrest us if we go in that front hallway? Will you arrest
All I'm
us?
going to tell you is, if you want to practice your rights, you're free to do so on the step.
We want to go file a complaint.
I'll bring you a complaint.
Why can't, what, we can't go in and get a complaint
I'll go
ourselves?
get you one because of COVID.
It doesn't say this is closed to public.
Close to the public, right here.
Why did I just see people come
Close
out?
to the public.
Why did I just see people come out?
Sir,
Alright,
you see them close to the public?
we got told to come in here, sir, though. I didn't see that sign.
Come on in. Come on.
The sign's over
I'll
here.
go get you your complaint forms. Stay
What am I
outside.
looking for? I don't read Spanish.
Please get us,
Only say Springfield's closed buildings. All right, so that's inside.
please get us five complaint forms, please.
Why would you need?
Each, 5 complaint forms each.
You never gave me a lawful order either. That's lawful.
Guys, that's the tyrant you guys are gonna have as a leader. That's bullshit, guys. You guys need to learn better than that. This is crazy. He just violated the shit out of our rights. Wow. The way he steps in his face and everything, guys, that's not de-escalation skills like you're supposedly taught in the academy. This is crazy. See that flag flying? It's for this. It's for shit like this. First Amendment, guys. He doesn't care about the First Amendment. Do you see this? This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. That's called escalation. That's trying to get someone arrested right there. That's what that is. Unreal. Can't be in a parking lot because of COVID. That's crazy. Can't be in a parking lot because of COVID. He almost really messed up right there. Wow. You going live?
Yep.
Shit, I might too.
Bro.
I got my body cam rolling. What are you gonna arrest us for, sir?
Sir, can you leave?
What are you going to arrest us for,
Sir,
sir?
you need to leave the
What are you going to arrest us for, sir?
Sir, you need to leave.
Is it a lawful order to leave?
Sir, you need to leave.
Is it a lawful order to leave, sir?
I'm not going to argue with you.
It's not an argument.
You need to leave the property.
Is it a lawful order?
Don't step on me.
Do you need... Don't step on me.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure. Him. Whatever his name is. Don't step on me, dude.
What you need to do is leave the property.
Are you trespassing
Do
me?
you need...
Are you trespassing
You
me?
need to leave
Are
the
you
property.
trespassing us?
It's a very simple question.
Or what? Will we be
Do
arrested?
you understand what I'm telling you?
Sir, will we be
Do you
arrested?
understand what I'm telling you?
Will we be arrested if we don't leave?
The property.
Will we be arrested if we don't
Do
leave?
you understand?
Will we
You
be
need to
arrested?
leave
Will we
the
be
property.
arrested if we don't
Do
leave?
you
I need to
understand?
go
I'm going to get a complaint form.
Yep. Fucking piece of shit you are.
Wow.
You. Now I'm going to be over here all fucking day and I'm going to order a pizza too. Is that a lawful order, sir?
You won't answer us, sir.
Is it a lawful order? Is it a lawful
So what?
order?
Now we can't go in the front entrance?
You need to leave the
Now we can't go in the front entrance?
You're causing a
Look at
disturbance.
this.
You're going to stop us from
We didn't
filing
say
a
nothing
complaint?
to anybody.
Yeah.
We didn't say nothing to anybody. You
Yeah,
caused
which
this.
is protected under the First Amendment also,
You
sir.
caused this. You caused this.
Are you going to arrest us if we go in that front hallway? Will you arrest
What I'm
us?
going to tell you is, you want to practice your right to do so on the steps.
We want to go file a complaint.
I'll bring you a complaint.
Why can't, what, we can't go in and get a complaint
I'll
ourselves?
go get you one, because of COVID.
It doesn't say this is closed to public.
Close to the public, right here.
Why did I just see people come
Close
out?
to the public.
Why did I just see people come out?
Sir,
Alright.
you see this close to the public?
We got told to come in here, sir, though. I didn't see that sign.
Wait a minute. Come on.
The sign's out
I'll
here.
go get you your complaint form. Stay outside.
Please get us.
Alright, so that's inside.
Please get us five complaint forms, please.
Why would you need...
Each. 5 complaint forms each.
You never gave me a lawful order either.
Guys, that's the tyrant you guys are gonna have as a leader. That's bullshit, guys. You guys need to learn better than that. This is crazy. He just violated the shit out of our rights. Wow. The way he steps in his face and everything, guys, that's not de-escalation skills like you're supposedly taught in the academy. This is crazy. See that flag flying? It's for this. It's for shit like this. First Amendment, guys. He doesn't care about the First Amendment. Do you see this? This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. That's called escalation. That's trying to get someone arrested right there. That's what that is. Unreal. Can't be in a parking lot because of COVID. That's crazy. Can't be in a parking lot because of COVID. He almost really messed up right there. Wow. You going live?
Yep.
Shit, I might too. I got my body cam rolling.
Okay.
You literally said his freedom of speech was disorderly or whatever, and you said
Started acting disorderly.
Because I had 10 police
freedom of
officers on me.
Started calling me names.
freedom of speech. It's protected.
When you act outside of a police officer,
No.
you're going to be called those names.
It's all protected under the First Amendment. You guys are gonna get phone calls by Friday. Many, probably hundreds of phone calls.
Yes, you are.
Because of your attitude.
3,000 followers.
I do.
Well, wouldn't it be?
It's about
at
40
least-
plus right here.
Wouldn't that be almost 1,000 or 2,000 at least?
Well, some people are afraid of you guys, so they don't even want to interact with you guys. At least 100. At least 100.
Because
So guys,
threatened me with the rest of them.
he wants more phone calls. He wants thousands.
Followers, I'm just trying to understand.
He wants
that
thousands.
You would have thousands.
This guy wants thousands of people to call. So you heard that, guys.
And they'll be
In this day and age, that doesn't happen.
I love it.
in this day and age?
Why wouldn't you? I don't know.
Because this is a new day of free press, and this is what we're about. We're anonymous until you get the phone calls and get plastered all over YouTube, all over the internet.
As more supervisors become involved, the conversation moves beyond individual personalities and into broader constitutional questions. References to the First Amendment, freedom of the press, public access, and complaint procedures dominate the discussion. Instead of resolving uncertainty through calm communication, both sides become increasingly committed to defending their interpretations. The repeated questions about lawful orders, trespassing, and potential arrest reveal how quickly legal ambiguity can escalate when explanations are incomplete and confidence replaces careful dialogue.
Oh, it was rude.
Why you were taking a picture of the car and...
Okay, yeah, I could do whatever I want out here with the pictures, man. I'm in public.
You said to move along?
Yeah, I said if you don't want to be on the camera, then keep moving. I'm in public. I could do this.
Okay. Well, I just talked to some people. We don't know what. Really, you're making people uncomfortable.
Okay, that's not illegal, sir.
So for that reason, I'm just letting you know, we're going to contact authorities and let them talk to you.
That's fine. I'm not going to say much more than I am to you.
No, that's fine.
So, I mean, I have a right to be out here. I'm not on your property.
No,
I see the sign right over there. Can I ask you a question, though? Because I looked at the survey through the town hall and stuff for your property lines. Does your property line start over there at the sign where it states no trespassing, or is it pretty much right here? It's right here. I thought it was.
Close to the, yeah, you're not on.
Yeah, and I'm not trying to go onto your property. I mean, I have no reason to unless you're inviting me in. Do you have a business card?
I might. Just might.
I won't make you go back in and get one, though.
No, that's all right. But like I said, people.
So you calling them?
I understand. They just felt you were rude. So
yeah.
They're like, okay, someone's outside. He wasn't being. That was the only reason I came out here.
Well, no. So what I don't understand. Yeah, but what I don't understand, right, is that how people don't want to be on camera. Thank you. How people don't want to be on camera while I'm in public, and then ask me, they actually stop the vehicle, say stop recording me, and then expect me to stop my recording. You know what I mean? I've almost been hit by cars. You know what I mean? And imagine if I shut off my camera. You know what I mean? I filed reports because of it in the past because of that. I'm just saying it's for my safety too. Why?
All I was going to tell you is that you should probably see this vest.
Yeah.
It would probably be a good idea.
But that's not going to stop somebody from wanting to ram me off the road purposely. You know what I mean?
Doesn't happen here.
No, and I
was only going to advise you because you're standing at the entrance where there's trucks.
Yep, and that's why I'm on the side of the road, man.
That vest stands out pretty good because.
I got it.
That way
I'm working on it.
Put yourself in harm's way, standing out.
So you're calling the authorities, right? Which I have no problem with. But you're calling the authorities because people feel uncomfortable. Is that illegal? I mean, they're not the feelings police, man.
No, Lee, I'm just saying.
It's a waste of resources.
We don't know who are.
They're not going to either.
Yeah, so I'd rather have them see if they can get more information. That's it.
They're not going to, because I mean, if I'm not being detained, I'm not breaking the law. They have no rights to my privacy and my personal information. If you know your rights, you know what I mean?
I'm not. I just, at least for me, we have a record of it.
Yeah, that's fine.
We talked to you, and that was the reason.
Yeah, and I'll pull their record too. So.
She felt she was rude. You were rude to her.
She was kind of rude to me, so I give it how I, take it. So.
Okay. Yeah, we'll work that one through, and then we give tours all the time. It's limited now because of COVID.
I understand. All right. Thank you.
How you doing?
Good, you? Can I get your name, badge number?
It's Officer Rizzi.
What is it?
Officer Rizzi.
Rizzi, how do you spell that?
R-I-Z-Z-I.
R-I-Z-Z-I?
Yeah.
Can you, your badge?
96.
96.
Yeah. What's going on today?
Nothing much, man. I'm not going to answer any questions, so you can just turn around and go.
Okay, well, I just got one thing to tell you, okay?
Yeah, is it a directive?
What's that?
Is it to not go on the property and give me a directive?
Well,
because you guys can't help yourself. It's ridiculous, dude.
What do you mean?
Because you always have to give directives. You always have to say something to me. And
I don't even know who you are. I've never talked to you before.
That's fine.
Yeah.
So you got 2 units here for somebody filming?
Yeah, listen.
You almost hit me, dude.
Yeah, whatever.
Listen.
You almost hit me, dude.
Yeah, whatever.
Why are you coming up to me like that?
What?
Why did you come up to me that fast? I asked you a question. Why did you come up to me like that?
Okay.
Because it's a car and cars drive on the road, not people walking.
I'm not walking. I'm actually on an easement and you almost hit me.
Where's
Look
the
how
easement?
close you are.
Show your camera the easement. Go
I
ahead.
know where the easement is.
Show your camera.
What's your name and badge number?
What's that?
What's your name and badge
6'7",
number?
McCullough.
What is it?
6'7", McCullough.
6'7" McCullough?
Yes.
Yeah.
Can you show your camera the easement?
No, you're a tyrant, dude. Get out of here,
Show the
dude.
camera
Go.
that
I'm not
you're
even talking to you no more. Just screw.
Show the camera
You
that
almost
you're
hit me. You came up to me going about 20 miles an hour and slammed on the brake.
Camera that you're lying.
No, screw.
You're lying.
Screw.
Show the camera.
Screw.
You're not going to show the
Get
camera
out of
that
here.
you're lying?
Am I being detained?
No.
Then leave.
No, I don't have to.
No, you will leave. You're gonna leave before I do, buddy. No, I'm not gonna listen to you. Don't step up on me and walk away.
Who is this guy?
Don't flank me either.
Huh?
Don't flank me, dude.
Are you a football player?
You think I'm fucking, huh?
I don't even know you.
I don't care. You're gonna know me. Don't flank me.
Huh?
Get back over there so I have both of you in my view.
No.
Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. I know how to play this game. Guys want to found me and then act like a tyrant, dude. You're gonna get a complaint on you for almost hitting me over there. You went about 25 miles an hour.
Don't walk up behind me.
You went about 20.
Don't walk up behind
don't touch.
me.
Don't even come
You
near me, dude.
understand me?
Don't come near me.
All right, see ya.
Back off.
See ya.
Back off.
Don't walk up.
Why? Is that illegal?
I'm gonna turn around.
Is it illegal?
What's that?
Is it illegal?
To walk up.
You feel
behind me?
uncomfortable?
What?
Do you feel uncomfortable?
I do when you walk
do?
up behind me.
Yeah, you know how many times in the world that we feel uncomfortable?
Hey, dude, step back.
I'm not gonna touch you. Don't worry, buddy. You got a gun, taser, and on. Relax, buddy. No. Watch out for the truck.
Step back.
Watch out for the truck. No, I'm not gonna listen. You're gonna leave now. Back up. Go. Go do your job. Go do your job.
I just got. Can I say?
No, I don't want to hear it, dude. I don't want to hear it. This asshole over here almost hit me over here going about 20 miles an hour.
I understand that.
No.
Can I talk to you? Can I say?
Don't walk up on me. You see this? So you can tell me not to walk up on you, but this coming up on me? Really?
How about this? This distance.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's work on your training here, okay? And de-escalate the situation because this over here just pulled up on me about 20 miles an hour.
Can I just say one thing to you?
Don't give me a directive because I'm just going to walk away. I don't need to hear about going onto the property. There's a
Walk away,
trespassing
that's fine.
sign right there.
All I'm telling you is, there's people that work here.
And they're uncomfortable, right? They're uncomfortable?
That's it.
Okay, and what are you, the feelings police or are you law enforcement? Go enforce the law and leave me alone.
Listen, I gotta answer calls, okay?
Good, go talk to the calling party then.
Because of something that you might be doing, that's why I'm here.
Go talk to the calling party. Tell them I'm within my rights and I'm not on their property.
That's fine. I've talked to you.
I'm gonna check to see if you have any weapons.
Don't touch me.
Come here, come here.
I do not consent to any search or
I'm gonna
seizure.
pat you down for
I do
weapons.
not consent to any search or seizures.
Okay, there we go. You don't have any weapons.
Yeah, you just wanted to touch me, didn't you?
Stop walking up on me.
Don't you touched me, dude.
I did, and I'm.
Yeah, I know.
It's called a Terry pat.
Yeah, oh, really?
You can
It's a
Google
Terry
it.
stop. Is that legal?
Exactly.
Is that legal right now?
It is.
Yeah, there's no such thing as a Terry stop in New Hampshire.
Oh, really?
No, there isn't.
You're smart.
Not
guy.
unless you're being detained, buddy.
I think he needs to go to Riverbend.
Oh, really? You're the one who just touched on my dude.
Dude, stop. Stay back.
No,
okay?
get back in your car and leave. You feel uncomfortable, I feel uncomfortable. You can touch me, dude.
Stay back.
No, you just put your hands all over me. Those
Stay
grimy
back,
little
please,
shitty
stay
hands,
back.
dude, that you probably beat the public with. Yeah, just get out of here, dude. You're making yourself in the department look like assholes.
You think he's okay in the public? Yeah. Okay. All right.
Listen, if they want you off the property.
I'm not on the property.
I know.
I'm not on the property. I already talked to the manager, okay?
Listen,
Stop. I don't need to hear the directives, dude.
But I'm talking to you right
No, I'm not listening to you.
I will get out of here.
You are going to get out of
I'm gonna
here.
say one thing to you.
Of course, one directive, right? You can't help yourselves,
Do
dude.
not bother the employees.
No,
If they ask you-
tell them not to bother me, dude. They're the ones who just stopped over here.
If they ask you to leave, you gotta leave.
No, I don't. I'm on a public freaking easement.
But if you go on their property.
I'm not going on their property.
Why do you keep calling it a public easement?
This is a public road.
It's a road.
It's a public road and there's a public easement right here. There's no sidewalks.
So
Are you
point to the
stupid?
easement. Point to the easement. Point
You're
to
an
the
idiot,
easement.
dude. You're an idiot.
Please point to the easement.
How long you been with this department? How many complaints you have?
I just answer the question. Can you please point to the easement?
The easement's right here. There's no sidewalk.
That's not a road? That's a road, right?
It's a road, and when there's no sidewalk, it's called an easement or a right-of-way.
Okay, look up easement.
I don't
okay?
need
'Cause
to.
You're wrong.
Okay. All right, buddy. I'm always wrong, right? But you guys are always right.
Another recurring theme throughout these encounters is the tension between public discomfort and legal authority. Business owners and citizens repeatedly express concern about being filmed, while auditors maintain that discomfort alone cannot transform lawful conduct into criminal behavior. Officers often find themselves positioned between those competing expectations, attempting to address complaints without exceeding constitutional limits. The result is a difficult balancing act where communication becomes just as important as enforcement, and every word can either calm or intensify the situation.
Okay, I mean, I can try to, I mean, what is it all about? He just got warrants. Let me get out the street right quick.
That's what I was trying to get you.
Yeah. I can try to give him a ring, man. I don't think the guns is necessary. I don't think he gonna shoot at y'all, man.
All right, well.
I understand that, but I mean, is this like standard procedure for somebody that's got a warrant?
Yeah, actually, yeah.
Really? When they call the U.S. Marshals for that?
Yes, sir.
What kind of warrant is it?
Well, we're gonna
vote on that, man. Well, I mean, y'all. I mean, I'm just saying, y'all gonna ask me to assist, man. I'm just trying to make
if you
sure.
don't want to assist, then I'm just gonna ask you to go down to the end of the block. But outside of that, then.
Well, I mean, I'm still.
I'm trying to do what's best for Larry. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know, but I mean, y'all got guns blazing, man.
That's why I want Larry to freaking surrender himself, so we don't have to deal with this.
I can understand if he's shooting at y'all or something, man. But just for a warrant, man, y'all knock on the door and tell him to come out.
Yeah, well, that didn't happen. He didn't come out.
I mean, I can try to talk to my cousin, man, and see if he can, if he's willing to come on out of there, man. I definitely don't want to see nothing happen to him, man.
We don't want to see that either. That's why he needs to surrender himself.
Try to give him a ring right quick. What's your name, sir?
Chris.
Chris. Try to see if I can give him a ring right quick, man. Man, I don't know what my cousin did, man. I mean, well, obviously he ain't did nothing. He just got a warrant. So, let me see. Oh, shit. They got the U.S. Marshals for somebody with a warrant. Hey, cuz, I got you, boy.
Hey, Chris, might be a lot of shit back there.
It's crazy, man. This ain't even got this uncalled photo right here. Ain't even for a simple warrant. This don't make sense.
Do you work?
Yeah.
What type of work do you do?
Man, I do journalistic work. Actually, what I'm doing right now is work.
Okay, I get what you're saying, but it's a safety issue. If you would have came out and they gave up.
Yeah, but this right here, this look like an active shooter type. This is unnecessary, man. Y'all could. That's how people be accidentally getting killed, because y'all come like this for no reason. I'm just saying, it's unnecessary, brother. That's all I'm saying. Man, I mean, obviously so. Look, you see he came out. Y'all could have knocked on the door. I'm just saying, man, it's unnecessary. I'm just saying he got a warrant, right? And y'all come like this. Come on, man. What is it, a murder warrant? I'm just saying, I know it ain't. I was being sarcastic. It does, though. Of course it does, man. So the judge tell y'all how to come, though. That's my point. So they can't tell y'all how to come. Come on, man. It's crazy, man. Hey, but where y'all taking them to, though?
Yeah.
Lake County Jail?
One of them.
It's only one, though.
I'm saying, no, it's both of jails.
Well, I'm saying it's only one Lake County Jail.
You might not go.
Right, so y'all can't tell us where we going? It's my family. Oh, wow, man. That's crazy, man.
He get three phone calls, so I'll make sure you be one of them.
Okay. It's crazy, man.
Do you know your number?
Yeah, you know it. What's your name and badge number, sir? Murphy. And you out of North Chicago right here?
No, U.S. Marshal.
U.S. Marshal? Okay. It's crazy, man. What the U.S. Marshals coming to get him for? That don't make sense. It's crazy.
We knocked about 25 minutes. I saw him go in the house. He didn't open the door for him.
I mean, I can understand, but I'm just saying with the guns though, y'all got whole AR-15s out here, man. Like it's an active shooter.
One lesson remains unmistakable. Constitutional rights, public accountability, and law enforcement responsibilities must coexist through clear communication rather than confrontation. Whether discussing identification, filming in public, or responding to citizen complaints, the outcome often depends as much on professionalism as on the law itself. If you found this case as shocking as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping breakdowns.